Giving access to your Squarespace website allows collaborators to manage content or settings without sharing your main account credentials. Here's how to do it. Log into your Squarespace account. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and selecting the website you want to grant access to. Navigate to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Settings. This will open a menu with various options for your site. Select Users and Permissions. Scroll down and click on Users and Permissions. This section manages access levels for different users. Invite a user. Click on the Invite Users button. A new dialog box will appear. Enter user information. Input the email address of the person you want to invite. You can also assign them a role based on the level of access you want to give, such as admin, content editor, or billing. Send invitation. After selecting the appropriate role, click Invite. The user will receive an email invitation to access the website. Confirm access. The invited user needs to accept the invitation and create an account to access the site.